In this part of our G+6 building project, we will assign the diaphragm to each floor and then perform meshing of the slab. These two steps are very important for correct load transfer and accurate structural analysis in ETABS. First, we assign the diaphragm. We defined the diaphragm before in the last videos. We come here and see in diaphragms that we defined 6 diaphragms for each floor. Now we need to assign them for each floor. And let me explain a little bit that what is diaphragm and what is that, why we assign that in ETABS. A diaphragm represents the rigid behavior of the floor slab and its plane. In most reinforced concrete buildings, the slab is rigid enough to distribute lateral forces like earthquake or wind to the columns and shear walls. What ETABS does when we assign the diaphragm? ETABS assumes that all joints on that floor move together during uh, during lateral forces. It assumes that all joints on that floor move together in the horizontal direction, and this allows the software to correctly distribute lateral forces among the vertical structural elements, and that's why we use it. The main reason for using it is to allow the software to correctly distribute the loads to the vertical structural elements. Now we will know that how to assign that. Come in here and assign shell and diaphragms. We are in ground floor. We have to go to the story 2, the second floor, because we don't have slabs on ground floor. Then click on D1, apply. You can see that it displays the diaphragm. Then go to the upper story, select that story and click on D2, click on apply, and like that go to the upper story, select it, D3, and doing so for every floor. Select it, apply, and go to the upper story, story 6, select it, then apply D5, and then for the last story we select that and choose D6, then apply, and this is the way of assigning the diaphragms. Now the next part in this video is the meshing of the slab. Meshing means, let me explain it a little bit so not be confused or confusion doesn't remain. Meshing means dividing the slab into smaller finite elements so that ETABS can analyze the structure more accurately. Why it's important? If the slab is modeled as a very large single element, then the software may not properly transfer loads to beams and columns. And when we mesh the slab, or by meshing the slab, we allow the loads to be distributed more realistically. And that's why we divide the slab to transfer loads from the slab to beams, then to the columns. If we don't do meshing of the slab, then the loads of the slab will not going to the beams, and automatically it will go to the columns, and therefore it's very important to mesh the slabs. And how we mesh the slab? We go to the select, come here and select and properties, slab sections, and slab 150. We defined this slab and select all the slab, then come here and shell floor to mesh options, then choose default and take this mark also, then click on apply and OK. And also we come here and analyze automatic mesh settings for floor, and here we change this one to 0.5 meter. It will divide the slabs in every 0.5 meter or every 50 centimeter. Then click on OK. Now you can see that mesh options shows as default. Now we have successfully assigned the diaphragm and meshed the slabs. In the next part we will do the remaining parts needed to start the structural analysis and check the model. So be with me, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified about the next part. Thanks.